Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So our today's project is mobile price classification app. So mobile price classification application will predict the price for a particular mobile on the basis of some parameters. We have created this web application using Streamlit platform. So let's enter, means the values are already entered. Let's take battery power to be 1021. Bluetooth, yes, phone supports Bluetooth, that's why 1. Clock speed will be 2.20. Dual SIM, yes, the phone supports dual SIM. Front camera 4G. Internal memory, mobile depth, mobile weight, number of cores, primary camera, pixel height is 20, pixel width is 755, RAM is 2549. We have just entered very random values for this. Screen width and screen height we have entered 9 and 6. Talk time is 19. 3G, yes, the phone supports 3G. Touch screen, yes, the phone is touch screen. Wi-Fi, yes, the phone has Wi-Fi. So let's predict the model. So you can see that this has predicted the value and the price for the mobile is medium. If you want to get code for this project, you can go into the file section. So here you can see there are some of the files. You need to go on app.py. Here you will get the source code for the project to build this web application. What is HiDevs? So before moving forward into the HiDevs community, I am happy to share with you all guys that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in their dream companies in the field of deep learning and generative AI along with data science. So now who are we? HiDevs is world's first open community which will help you in arriving straight to second round interview and cracking your dream company. So if you want to also get placed into your dream company, just join with us, join our network and get the free tools and resources to upskill and land your dream job. So what do you want? If you are confused that how to start in data science, if you want to improve your resume, if you want to update your LinkedIn profile, if you want to switch from non-tech to tech, or if you want to go into the new job or you are looking for the interview, you are not getting the interview calls, then we are here. HiDevs is for you. We will help you in learning the new technologies, solving the problems with the help of ChatGPT. We will be solving real world projects, and along with this we will be improving your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, and you will also get the personalized mock interviews. So we are here to help you in cracking your dream job. Just join our community and be with us and upskill yourself for getting into the field of data science and generative AI. Thank you.